Welcome back, everybody. Here's a quick little life hack for you. You've been installing glue down carpet, or you have some type of sticky glue all over you. It's all over your hands, all over your tools. Easiest way to remove this stuff, WD-40. It breaks down the glue and it comes right off. No more sticky, no more carpet fuzz all over you. Take a little piece of carpet and wipe your hands clean. Now I am carpet glue free and I smell delicious. Works for your tools too. You got a little glue on your tools. Spray them down and it'll also stop them from rusting. Take your little piece of carpet and the WD-40 just breaks it all down. And like I said, now my expensive $2 trowel will not rust up on me. Got a little carpet glue in there too, but I don't care. There we go. See how nice that looks? Practically brand new again. I hate to spend another $2. That's sarcasm. But yeah. Hook your hands up real good with some WD and then wipe them clean. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe.